Hello students, today you will learn Jod Tod up to 5 with sliding cards with the help of dots. Let's see.
One dot, one more dot. It becomes two dots. One dot plus one more dot is equal to two dots. Two dots, one more dot. It becomes three dots. Two dots plus one dot is equal to three dots. Three dots, one more dot. It becomes four dots. Three dots plus one dot is equal to four dots. Four dots, one more dot. It becomes five dots. Four dots plus one dot is equal to five dots.
Just to see here 5 dots, one dot is hid under the card. Dots left behind are 4 dots. 5 dots minus 1 dot is equal to 4 dots. Just see here 4 dots. 1 dot is hid under the card. Dots left behind are 3 dots. 4 dots minus 1 dot is equal to 3 dots. Just see here 3 dots. 1 dot is hid under the card. Dots left behind are 2 dots. 3 dots minus 1 dot is equal to 2 dots. Just see here 2 dots. 1 dot is hid under the card. Dot left behind is 1 dot. 2 dots minus 1 dot is equal to 1 dot. Just to see here 1 dot. 1 dot is hid under the card. Dot left behind is 0. 1 dot minus 1 dot is equal to 0. Students, you have learnt with sliding cards. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Students, you will prepare sliding card like this at home and do practice Jod Tod up to 5. Thank you.